Notion Team Project Management Tool Review. Still good? Links to the product are in the description. Notion remains a highly versatile, all-in-one workspace in 2025, especially well-suited for small to medium-sized teams, cross-functional groups, and knowledge-centric teams like product, marketing, operations, or startups that want a flexible, customizable platform for project management, documentation, and collaboration. What makes Notion powerful is its block-based structure. You can build databases, boards, tables, calendars, lists, timelines, and more, all within a single workspace, which gives teams full control over how they organize work. For project management, Notion's relational databases let you set up tasks linked with projects or sprints, assign owners, set due dates and priorities, and track open versus completed items. You can switch between a Kanban board, calendar view, table view, or timeline, depending on how your team likes to work, making it extremely adaptive. Collaboration is deeply embedded. Team members can comment on any block, tag one another, share pages, and collaborate on docs in real time. Meeting notes, project specs, and SOPs can live next to your tasks, giving teams a single source of truth rather than fragmenting information across tools. Notion also supports custom templates, which means teams can create standard project frameworks, recurring task lists, or onboarding docs once, then reuse them across projects or squads. Version history and page permissions allow for governance. You can control who reads or edits particular pages or databases, which is important for structured teams. On the reporting side, while Notion doesn't provide out-of-the-box advanced analytics like a dedicated PM dashboard tool, you can build simple filtered views or dashboards with database views to monitor progress, overdue tasks, or team workload. Integrations are solid. Notion connects via API or through tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and others, so you can link your project workspace with your communication and document ecosystem. That said, Notion isn't built for heavyweight resource planning or detailed time tracking. There's no native timesheet module, so you'll need to rely on external tools or custom integrations. Also, the flexibility that makes Notion powerful can be a double-edged sword. Without clear governance, pages and databases can proliferate, making the workspace messy for larger teams. But for teams that value a clean, highly customizable documentation-first approach, Notion continues to deliver serious value in 2025. Its blend of project management, note-taking, and wiki capabilities makes it a smart, unified solution, especially if you're looking to reduce tool sprawl and centralize your team's planning and knowledge work.